Mauritius, a jewel of the Indian Ocean, holds an allure far beyond its sparkling blue waters and white sandy beaches. It's an idyllic island that enchants with its vibrant mix of cultures, lush landscapes, and exotic wildlife. From the hustle and bustle of its lively cities to the tranquil beauty of its nature reserves, Mauritius offers an array of experiences that cater to every whim and fancy. So, are you ready? Let us embark on a journey to explore the top 12 must-visit places in this tropical paradise. Our journey begins in Port Louis, the vibrant capital of Mauritius. This city is a splendid symphony of sights, sounds, and scents. The bustling markets are a riot of color, offering a variety of local produce and handmade crafts. You'll find a seamless blend of past and present in the city's colonial architecture, where grand, old structures stand proudly amidst modern, sleek buildings. No visit to Port Louis would be complete without a day at the famous Champs de Mars racecourse, a thrilling spectacle that has been a part of city life since the early 19th century. A city where history and modernity coexist, Port Louis is a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. Next, we venture to the Bois Cheri tea factory, a symbol of Mauritius's colonial past. A steeped tradition in more ways than one, this factory has been the heart of tea production on the island since the late 19th century. It's not just about the tea leaves, it's about the history, culture, and the people who've dedicated their lives to perfecting the art of tea. Bois Cheri offers a journey through time, allowing you to immerse yourself in the world of tea, from plantation to cup. And what better way to end this journey than by sampling the diverse range of teas at the factory's restaurant, each one a testament to the passion and craftsmanship that goes into every brew. For tea enthusiasts and history buffs alike, a visit to Bois Cheri is a delightful excursion. Our next destination is Lavalin Nature Park, a haven for nature lovers. This remarkable park is home to some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. The park's giant Aldabra tortoises are a sight to behold, with some weighing up to 300 kilograms. And let's not forget the park's Nile crocodiles, a thrilling spectacle for any adventurous soul. But it's not all about the thrill here. Vanille is also a sanctuary for a variety of exotic species, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The park is actively involved in conservation efforts, preserving these creatures and their habitats for future generations to admire. Vanille offers a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in the island's diverse fauna. Prepare to be enchanted by the Black River Gorges National Park, a sanctuary for Mauritius endemic species. This vast expanse of wild, untouched nature offers an array of hiking trails, each one more invigorating than the last. Lose yourself in the beauty of the lush greenery and feel the thrill of discovering hidden waterfalls nestled within the heart of the park. But the real magic of Black River Gorges lies in its viewpoints. These are places where the world seems to stand still, and you're gifted with panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Picture this: verdant mountains, deep valleys, and the sparkling blue ocean on the horizon. A visit to Black River Gorges is a must for every nature enthusiast. We now journey to the Grand Basin, a sacred lake that holds great spiritual significance. Nestled amidst lush greenery, this serene lake is known as Ganga Talao, a name that resonates with the Hindu community. It's not just a lake, but a sacred destination that reflects the profound faith and devotion of the island's Hindu population. Every year, during the auspicious Mahashivaratri festival, pilgrims throng to the Grand Basin, transforming this peaceful sanctuary into a vibrant, spiritual hub. They walk barefoot, carrying offerings on their heads, praying and seeking blessings of Lord Shiva. Experiencing this spiritual festival is a journey in itself, immersing visitors in a unique cultural experience. The Grand Basin offers a glimpse into the island's spiritual side. Next, we explore Casella Nature Park, an adventure lover's paradise. This vibrant park is a treasure trove of thrilling experiences, with safari tours that take you up close with the wild side of Mauritius. Imagine the thrill of seeing zebras, giraffes, and the majestic lions in their natural habitat. The park's ziplining experience is another highlight. Imagine soaring through the treetops with the wind in your hair as you marvel at the breathtaking beauty of the park from above. But it's not just about the thrill, it's also about the immersive experience. The park's African Safari is a journey into the heart of the wild, where you can connect with nature in its rawest form. With its thrilling activities, Casella ensures an unforgettable adventure. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Chamarel seven-colored earth, a geological wonder. This extraordinary natural phenomenon has captured the hearts of travelers from across the globe. Born from volcanic activity millions of years ago, the dunes are a symphony of colors: red, brown, violet, blue, green, and yellow, all merging and swirling to create a living, breathing painting. The unique soil composition prevents the colors from mixing, maintaining their distinct hues. The panoramic views of the surrounding landscape add to the spectacle, making it a must-visit spot in Mauritius. From the lush green vegetation to the vast blue sky, the contrast is truly breathtaking. Chamarel leaves visitors in awe of nature's artistic prowess. Next, we ascend Le Morne, Brabant, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This majestic mountain is steeped in history, having served as a refuge for runaway slaves in the 18th and early 19th centuries. The mountain's craggy peak, touching the clouds, was a beacon of hope and freedom for these individuals, a testament to their courage and determination. Today, the journey to the top is an equally inspiring experience. As you climb, each step reveals increasingly breathtaking vistas of lagoons, reefs, and the vast Indian Ocean. The summit itself offers a panoramic view that is simply beyond compare. Le Morne, Brabant stands as a symbol of freedom and resilience. We now journey to the Chamarel Waterfall, a spectacle of nature's grandeur. This stunning waterfall stands as one of the tallest in Mauritius, cascading down from a height that's equivalent to the length of 7 stacked double-decker buses. It's nestled in the heart of a lush green jungle, a testament to the island's rich biodiversity. The waterfall is surrounded by the verdant beauty of the Black River Gorges, creating a vibrant backdrop to the gushing water. For those seeking an invigorating dip, the waterfall's basin offers a natural swimming pool. Here, you can immerse yourself in the cool, fresh water, feeling the spray from the waterfall on your skin. The Chamarel Waterfall is a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. Next, we unwind at Flack Beach, a slice of seaside heaven. Nestled on the west coast of Mauritius, Flack boasts of crystal-clear waters that glisten under the tropical sun. It's a sight that's nothing short of mesmerizing. By day, the beach is a haven for water sports enthusiasts. The azure sea tempts visitors with a variety of activities, from snorkeling to paddleboarding. As night falls, Flack transforms into a lively hub, its vibrant nightlife pulsating with energy. Imagine dining under the stars, the sound of waves providing the perfect soundtrack for unforgettable moments. Flack is the perfect place to soak up the island's sun-kissed charm. We now set sail for ELO Surf, a dreamy islet off the east coast. This slice of paradise is renowned for its sun-kissed, pristine beaches that seem to stretch into infinity. The powdery white sands, coupled with the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, create a mesmerizing spectacle that is sure to leave you spellbound. But it's not just about lazing around. ELO Surfs is also a hub for adrenaline-pumping water sports. From parasailing to undersea walks, there's an adventure waiting at every corner. The heart of this islet, however, is its stunning lagoon, a tranquil oasis that simply takes your breath away. ELO Surf is a tropical haven that promises unforgettable memories. Finally, we arrive at Trou Biches Beach, the crown jewel of Mauritius. This idyllic paradise captures the essence of the island, with its crystal-clear turquoise waters that appear to stretch indefinitely into the horizon. The beach is adorned with soft, powdery sands, warm underfoot, and perfect for those lazy, sun-soaked afternoons. Lining the beach are lush casuarina trees, providing a natural shade for those looking to escape the midday sun. As day turns into evening, the beach transforms into a canvas of colors. The sky is set ablaze with hues of orange, pink, and red as the sun dips below the horizon, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle that's impossible to forget. Tro Beach is a picture-perfect finale to our island adventure. As we conclude our journey, we leave with a treasure trove of memories. Here's a little wisdom for your own adventure. The best time to visit Mauritius is between May and December, when the weather is cool, dry, and sunny. Embrace local customs, say bonjour to the locals, and don't miss out on trying the local delicacy, dole puri. Remember, Every journey is a book of stories waiting to be written. Mauritius, with its azure waters and diverse landscapes, is an island that leaves a lasting impression. Did we miss your favorite spot? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more travel adventures.